first in Des Moines ended in a frightening close call. The aftermath caught on camera, a car speeding away from troopers crashing into a home.
City's east side, the home at East 38th and Easton is damaged.
KCCI's Andrew Mullenbeck is live outside the home. And Andrew, we heard from the owner today.
The homeowner says the sound of the crash and the physical shaking of the home woke up the family. And another scary thought, this room right here is where the newborn usually sleeps. Less than 10 minutes before the car smashed into the side of the house, the Iowa State Patrol clocked the driver doing 97 miles an hour on I-235. The driver only picked up speed after police flipped on the lights.
We're going east on Guthrie, Black Charger, 107.
The pursuit wound up on Easton Boulevard, where the driver lost control around a curve.
1050, 1050, just took out a light pole, 1050.
Smashing through the pole barely slowed down the car. It plowed through some grass, hopped a curb, and smashed into a porch where Kathy Noen and her family were sleeping.
Heard a loud boom, and then the house kind of vibrated. So my fiance and I, we just looked at each other like, oh crap. So then we went to this room right here in the front and we looked out the window and there was a car crashed into the house, and then we saw the cops pulling the guy out of the car and putting him on the ground, and then we were like, okay, this is serious.
She says the smoke that started coming from the car made her nervous that the house might start on fire. 21-year-old Martin Zamarone has been booked for a series of charges, including driving on a suspended license and eluding police while going more than 25 miles an hour above the speed limit. Now, we mentioned earlier that this is a room where the newborn usually sleeps. Well, this morning, the baby was with the parents and the whole family is okay. We're live in Des Moines. Andrew Mullenbeck, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
The Iowa State Patrol says the troopers did follow policy in this morning's pursuit. KCCI asked for a copy of the policy, and it reads in part that a pursuit is justified when the officer believes the risk to the public is greater without a pursuit when compared to the risk of a pursuit. The policy also states that it's up to the officer if they want to start a pursuit, end one, or let a driver go.